don't understand. Everybody's all crazy about this Fortnite stuff, so I'm thinking, Aaron, you better get with it. So, what I've come up with is the ultimate Fortnite gaming system on your Android device. Stick around and find out exactly how we achieve that. First, we're going to start off with our Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Boom, internet, look what we got. We got our own Fortnite. We got a Fortnite. Okay, we got Fortnite. It's installing now. As that's installing, we are going to give you exclusive look at how I'm going to turn my Android phone into the ultimate gaming experience. And it starts with the unboxing knife. First thing we're going to do, come over here, bloop, bloop, boop, is I got the Samsung Galaxy S cover, S View flip cover, open box. Step 1 to creating the ultimate gaming experience, the case. Step 2, the controller. I went for the Steel Series Stratus XL, Oculus Rift HTC Vive Gear RV. Also works on Windows and Android. So let's go ahead and just bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, this is nice. This is downright lovely, guys. This is phenomenal. I'm kind of excited about this. Okay, it comes with some generic AA's, which is okay. We're gonna put our batteries in this bad boy, easy peasy. So we're gonna turn it on. So we're gonna come back over here and go to our Fortnite. Over here, we're gonna hit launch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our phone and we're gonna put it like this. And we're gonna put it right here, so it holds itself up. Ta-da! So I got some news, guys. I got Fortnite up and going, but all the stuff I bought doesn't work with it. So we're kind of stuck. We gotta do things the old-fashioned way with our hands. Who knew? This is stupid. Do I jump out of this? Oh, where am I going? What am I doing? Oh, guys, am I gonna die? Guys, I'm so scared right now. This is a pretty aggressive game. I mean, it's sucking up every ounce of energy and power that my phone has. And everyone's all like, oh, Fortnite! And I gotta know what this is about! It keeps freezing up on me. This isn't exciting. I can't do nothing. I'm eliminated. Did you guys see that? How is this fun? Oh, I'm doing stuff. This is all I know how to do is destroy stuff. Guys, I got a gun. I got a gun. He's wearing a bush. Oh, I died. That was it. I don't know nothing about nothing. I plan to be like, I'm gonna go play Fortnite, this, and we're gonna go have fun together, and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna have a control. It didn't work. The game's terrifying. I don't know what I'm doing. I get it if you're chilling and you're trying to pass time. What we just experienced was some severe disappointment, right? So we've got the controller for Android gaming doesn't work. No one said it would, other than the package. No one said it would work with the game, but I wanted to give it a try. I thought it would work. It didn't. Went out and got the case to help create a more better mobile gaming experience. All to come and find out you gotta hold it with your hand to play, and you can't use the controller. So that's gone. It's not gonna work. So I said to myself, I think you should fire up your Galaxy Note 8. The Galaxy Note 8? Do you think it can run Fortnite any better than the Galaxy S9 Plus? I don't know. You're never gonna find out unless you try. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're gonna put it into the Galaxy Note 8. We're gonna see what happens. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, I landed. All right, we can start eating this. I want a gun. Hi, are you friend? Oh, I feel like someone's shooting. I died. So what we're looking at here, the Note 8 performed, in my opinion, a lot better than the S9 Plus. This one took a lot of work to get loaded and get going, and it stalled a lot on me, and you guys saw the video, and this was just easy peasy, smooth as could be. So with that being said, I mean, you want to play Fortnite? Do you need to run out and buy an S9 Plus? No. The Note 8 worked great. It was pretty cool. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. We got Fortnite coming out on the Note 9. Already hit the Galaxy App Store for you today. We got a controller to enhance our Android experience, which does not work. We got a little flippy case, which is I'll probably keep the flippy case, right? And then we played it. We saw what it did. It's Fortnite. So the ultimate Fortnite gaming experience is you holding the phone in your hand. I told you I was bringing you the ultimate Fortnite gaming mobile experience, and it's just like this. Results may vary. What I want you guys to remember is the newest, the latest, the greatest, the shiniest, the most expensive is not always the best. And For the Love of Tech is always doing a giveaway. Let me go ahead and get a Roman numerals 65,023 dash and leave me a comment and tell me what's your favorite thing about Fortnite. Are you playing Fortnite mobile on your Switch, on your Xbox, on your PlayStation? What are you doing with it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? Just tell me your thoughts on Fortnite mobile. It's coming everywhere. It's taking over the world. But for right now, don't forget to get your social media entries. Give me one social media share and get one entry into the giveaway. Multiple social media shares, multiple screenshots, multiple entries into the giveaway. One email, Aaron, ARON, at the4theloveoftech.com. Come to love me as I've come to love you. And for the love of tech, namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you are subscribed to the channel, or you're not subscribed to the channel, or you just subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the notification bell right now. That way you know when videos are coming out and you can participate and have the best chance in having fun with us. Again, for the love of tech, namaste.